Hey everybody, it is Couponing with D. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this family, welcome back if you are already a part of the family. On my table, as you all can see, it is everything CVS. CVS First Aid to be exact. Now, I don't know if most of you all know, but CVS is having an event every day. If you go on your CVS app, the way I found it was, at the top where it says sort and refine, I hit that button and then I sorted it by the newest CRTs and coupons. The very first one right up under my extra bucks was the CRT for the free item. You can clip it on, like if you clip it today, you have until tomorrow to use it. I do not know if you can get rain checks for this stuff, but of course you can always try. So I did a couple of purchases on my card. Of course, I have 5 cards, so you'll see 5 items except for the alcohol and the Epsom salt. Now, on Sunday, I did not find any of the first aid kits that say CVS on them. They come in red, lime green, and like a turquoise color, aqua color. Those were priced at $3.99, but you can get those for free if you clip the CRT to your card. So on Monday, it was melatonin day, and that is the item furthest to your left. Now, the CRT was for a free strawberry 60 count CVS Health brand chewable melatonin. That is what I picked up. Each one of them were $8.49, but of course with the free CRT, you pay nothing. Next, I had purchased on Tuesday, I purchased 5 different first aid items because Tuesday was either you get a free item for $3 or you get $3 off of an item. So what I did first was the Epsom salt. On that card, I had 3 of the free CRTs. And when I show you the receipt up on the screen, you'll see that it was priced at $9.99. I'm gonna show you the 3 CRTs that I did have. It only took off one of them, and the manager for the other 2 issued a $6 extra buck to take off of this purchase. My final price on this was 99 cents, which was okay. Then, later on that day, it was still showing up on my card. This time, there was only 1 CRT. So I used it again and I got the alcohol swab sticks in the front. It's a count of 10. They were $3.39. I had 39 cents in the extra rewards, 2% savings that we get back on every purchase. And I had the free CRT, making it nothing. And then today, which is Wednesday, it is a free CVS Health brand first aid plastic bandages 60 count. So this is what I picked up. 5 60 count boxes. They were priced at $3.29 with the CRT made it free. This is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday's purchase. Now, I will put the schedule up on the screen so you can see exactly what the items are that we will be getting until either the 23rd of the month or the 31st of the month. I'm not quite sure yet, but I will keep my eye open for that. Not everyone, for some reason, is getting the CRTs. I found out today from my sister, who is in Florida, that she has yet to get one. So I'm not quite sure if this is for everybody, which I feel like it should be, since you know, everyone has the CRT, you know, the extra care card, excuse me. If you're one of those people that are not getting these CRTs, I would suggest trying calling customer service to see if they can help you out. Otherwise, just continue to look at your app every single day. I open up my app when I get up in the morning, after I do my little things that I do around the house, and then I get to clipping, and as you can see, my table is full. That is all I have for you on this video today. Come back on Saturday so you can see Thursday, Friday, and Saturday freebies. And again, see you on the next one. Bye.